Hi, welcome to another Core Vocabulary in Action video. Today's Core Vocabulary in Action video will be targeting the word how. How can be an adverb or it could be an interrogative pronoun. And how can mean the way in which we do something, or we could use the word how to ask somebody about the quantity or quality of something. Now let's find the word how on some of the different AAC systems that we might be using. On WordPower 60 Basic, the TouchChat app from Satillo, how.
How?
On Layup Words for Life, the 84 full version of the vocabulary from PRC, how.
How?
On Snapcore First, the 63 grid from Toby Dynavox, how.
How?
Now let's use our word how for some different functions of communication. I could ask a question and say, how many coins are there? I can make a comment and say, I love how-to videos. I can make a statement and say, I wonder how he did that. I could use my word to help express feelings and say, how are you feeling today? I could use my word to reject and say, no, I don't know how. I could use my word to do a greeting and say, how are you? I could use my word to direct an action and say, tell me how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to check out other videos where I take core vocabulary words and show how to use them for different functions of communication, check out my playlist over here. And if you haven't already, I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.